Luoyang Dragon Horse Machinery Limited Company was established on the 19th August 2008 with a general investment of $3 million. The company is located in the city of Luoyang and has a factory plant area of 27,000 square meters. As a professional micro-tiller manufacturer and supplier, we have excellent teams who focus on R&D, lean production management, quality control, sales and marketing, and technical support. Centered on the company vision of quality first, technology advantage, market-oriented, and brand making, we insist on providing multifunctional, agile, and reliable farming machines to all customers. To face the furious competition environment, the company has invested more than $700,000 on developing advanced equipment and technology, which leads to dozens of national patents that creating better products, higher market value for society, customers, and companies. With the constant efforts of product development and unique after-sales service, our Little White Dragon brand have become the forefront of the domestic industry. Furthermore, with export license, we export to Southeast Asia, Africa, South America, and some European countries, with a total market coverage of over 300,000 units. Our products have gained wide praises in domestic and abroad. We welcome OEM orders, whether selecting current products from our catalog or personalized design for your own application. Our experienced sales and R&D team are happy to help you